What is going on, guys, and welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you my custom ambient lighting kit that I installed in my BMW M4 F82. So this kit is like pretty affordable. I think it's like 50 or 60 bucks. I will link it in the description, as well as the full detailed install video. It doesn't get easier than I show in that video, guys. So also before we continue, guys, please don't just watch the video and not subscribe. Please do subscribe to the channel. This really supports the channel, helps it grow and make more of this content for you guys. But without further ado, let's get started into the actual ambient light colors overview. So it is controlled via the app, and the reason I went with the app sort of way is because the way to set it up in your infotainment, you would have to splice it into the car's main harness. And I strongly believe the last thing you want to do on like a 45K used car is splice into some electrical harnesses just to get some ambient lights going. So I mean, to each their own, but I'd rather not do that. So I spliced it directly into the OEM strips, so that's pretty harmless. And the only thing is you don't have to have an app to control it, which is totally fine by me, because it's not like you have to, every time you start a car, you have to do something with it. But anyway, let's get going so it's a little more entertaining. So we're driving and talking. Yeah, so you set it and forget it. It remembers your last setting, so you don't have to keep changing it. And then how often do you want to change the color of your light, you know? I change it every maybe once a week, once every 2 weeks. But yeah, right now I was rocking this orange, but I want to quickly show you what else it can do, what other colors I like. So let's get started with the colors that I like. I like solid colors, even though there's all kinds of different flowing combination you can do and kind of strobes and whatnot. I don't like any of it. I only like solid colors, just like the OEM setup would do. And then obviously it's this orange, and then I also like the purple. This purple looks pretty clean, especially like when it's super dark out. And then this was supposed to be, yeah, this shade of red. And then mind you, you can change it like these solid colors. You can modify it even further with this wheel, but I kind of like it. This orange looks really clean too, kind of similar to what I had earlier here. Yeah, that's pretty much the same. But then also, I can't say I dig this yellow one, to be honest, but this white one, it looks really like classic and really smooth. I rock this one from time to time as well. And then there's green, and then you can like change the shade of green. Like I actually dig this shade of green. And then this a lot of them are just super cool looking, honestly. And then the blue, pretty cool. And then there's some lights that are in the front and back footwell. You probably can't see it because it's still kind of light out. There's also lights in the cup holder area, as well as the handle. Again, I show you guys very easily how to get this all installed in the install video. It's like 17-18 minutes long, but it's well worth it, because I couldn't find a video that was showing really easy step-by-step instructions how to get this done. So I made my own. and I hope you guys will find it helpful as well. But I think I'm gonna rock this white one for a little bit. I really do like it, and as always, I hope you like this video. Please smash a like on it, and as I asked earlier, please do subscribe to the channel. Really helps it grow. And as usual, I will see you in the next one. Peace.